Behind every strong brand stands a trusted manufacturing partner. That trust has a name: Alikar Pharmaceutical. Backed by the assurance of pharmacists, advanced manufacturing technology, and internationally recognized quality standards, Alikar Pharmaceutical transforms your ideas into premium quality products. From capsules, tablets, sachets and syrups, to blister packs and herbal teas, we strive for excellence at every stage, through modern production lines, hygienic facilities, and meticulously managed quality control processes. Operating in compliance with GMP and ISO standards, we ensure that your products are manufactured with precision, packaged with care, and prepared to enhance the value of your brand. Whether you are launching a new brand or expanding your existing product portfolio, Alikar Pharmaceuticals stands by your side with tailor-made contract manufacturing solutions every step of the way. Because we do more than manufacture. We produce trust and carry quality into the future. Alikar Pharmaceutical.